Alright, we're going to take a look at the most missed problems from the recent quiz that we had over some algebra review. It says this first one, Elliot was trying to factor 6x squared minus 18. He found that the greatest common factor of these terms was 6 and made an area model. Alright, so then it asks what is the width. So basically area, we're taking length times width. So for this first one, I want to think, what would I have to multiply 6x by, what would I have to multiply 6 by to get 6x squared? And realistically, I would need an x squared in that spot. Alright, then we think, what do I need to multiply 6 by to get negative 18? Alright, and that would be a negative 3. So when I look at this, x squared minus 3 would be the width of this object because the height is 6. Now we can always check because area equals width times height, so 6 times x squared minus 3, right, which would be a 6x squared minus 18, which matches the area, so that checks. So our correct answer here is x squared minus 3. Alright, now the other one that gave issue for people was factoring out a common factor. So when I look at this particular factoring problem, what I should notice is that every term is divisible by 2. And that the leading is negative. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor a negative 2 out front. Alright, that leaves me with x squared minus 10x plus 24. It's really easy to mix up the signs on that. So a good method is to check at the end. So I just factored out. So if I redistribute, I'd be at negative 2x squared. That checks. Minus and a minus, so plus 20x. That checks. And then minus and a plus negative, so minus 48. That checks as well. Alright, so now I look inside and I say, okay, well I know it's x and x, because first times first gives me x squared. Then last times last needs to multiply to 24. Alright, so 2 and 12 multiply to 24, 3 and 8 do, 4 and 6 do, and those are really my options. So I notice this 4 and 6 add to 10. So if I make this a negative 4 and a negative 6, that gives me a negative 10. Alright, and they do have to be the same sign because 24 is positive. So my correct answer on this one would be negative 2 times x minus 4 times x minus 6. Alright, and those were really the two main types, factoring out a common factor and then an area model that caused people grief. Alright, hope that helps.